Welcome to the second part of MATLAB basic tutorial. In this tutorial, I will explain how to define a matrix and also discuss on performing different matrix operations. So let's begin. At first, what is a matrix? Simply, a matrix is a collection of elements which are separated by rows and columns. Let me start by defining a matrix which has 2 rows and 2 columns. Let's say the name of that matrix is A and the elements in the first row are 1 and 2. Note that elements in each row are either separated by space or by comma. If you want to go to the next row, you can type in semicolon and then type in the elements in that particular row. Now you see that the matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. If you want to find out the determinant of this matrix, you can type in DET and give it a name of that matrix. It will give you determinant. Similarly, if you want to perform inverse of the matrix, you can type in INV and then give it the name of that matrix. To transpose certain matrix, you have to type in the name of that matrix and then type in dash, and then it will give you the transpose. To perform different arithmetic operations on a matrix, let me define another matrix. Let's say that is B, and then give it the values 3, 4, 5, 6. To sum the matrix A and B, you can type in the command A plus B. To subtract them, you can type in the command A minus B, and if you want to multiply the two matrices, you can simply type in A multiply B and it will give you a matrix multiplication. Note that the multiplication by default is matrix multiplication. If you want to multiply the two matrices element wise, you have to type in A dot multiply B and it will give you element wise multiplication. Now the next operation is a division. Division in matrix is quite trickier. If you type in A/B, it will give you this result. What does this mean? This operation is equivalent to A multiply by inverse of B. See, the results are same. Now there is also another operator which is called backslash operator. If you type in A/B, this will give you this result. This is equivalent to performing inverse of A multiply by B. So this much for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.